What is the significance of seva and why is seva, sadhana and satsang important?
If you do only sadhana, what sadhana does with us? Sadhana makes us more eligible in life to receive. When we do sadhana on regular basis, every day, we become eligible to receive more. It is said that everything is available in this universe for us. But we are not eligible to receive it. That's why we won't get it. And sadhana increases our eligibility, capability to receive more. So, for example, when you were 3 years old, when you turned 4, then you admitted in school. You got admission in school. When you were at 3 or 2, school was there, present for you. But we were not eligible to got admitted in school. The moment we become eligible to get into school was already present there in front of us. Yes or no? Yes. Have you built your college and then started going to college? No. In school, college was there, but we were not eligible to get into college and study there. The moment we became eligible, college was there in front of us. This is what sadhana does. It increases our eligibility to receive more. Then it is said, sarva ratnopalabdhi happens. सब कुछ मिलता है फिर जीवन में ना. See, that same breeze is there, same moon is there, lovely atmosphere, electrifying atmosphere is there now, festival है कि नहीं. But if a mind is disturbed, what happens? We won't be able to enjoy that surrounding, that atmosphere. But everything is the same, but we are not eligible to receive that happiness, to realize that happiness which is there within us. The moment we do sadhana, mind is relaxed, cool, calm, serene, and then we become eligible to see what we cannot see when we are sad or miserable. And sadhana makes you eligible to receive more knowledge, more things in life. But if you do only sadhana, what happens? You become arrogant. Anger comes because you have lot of energy inside you. But if you have not properly channelized that energy, then that same energy will come out of you as anger. Like flooded water. It has lot of power, immense power. But what that power does? Only destruction. But when the same water flows in between two banks, then we can store it, we can build a dam, we can use it for a proper way. Only having energy will not take you anywhere. So we need to channelize that energy properly. That is why we should do seva. Giving a direction to that life force energy which is there within us is seva. Well-directed action is seva. Selfless action is seva. Expression of inner joy is seva. Being available for others is seva. People become dry or they get tired. I'm doing this from many years. Enough of it now. I don't want to do it anymore. The same thing. Because there is no juice in it. Have you eaten chewing gum in your life? Initially it gives juice. Later on, only chewing, no juice. So seva, only seva does that with us. Later on we become dry. We have to drag ourselves to do it. So what is needed along with seva is satsang. Satsang is what? Enjoying our existence, enjoying our living to the optimum level. Having that fun aspect in life. Seeing life from the lighter perspective is satsang. Seeing divinity within ourselves is sadhana. Seeing divinity in the person next to you and serving them is seva. And seeing divinity is everywhere. In humans, inanimate object, everything is satsang. So these are 3 pillars through which we can go ahead in life. So what is the first one? Sadhana, seva and satsang. So these are 3 aspects if you want to excel in life. Seva, sadhana, satsang.